Have you ever stopped to think about how your daily eating habits could be affecting your health? It's a question that many of us might overlook amidst our hectic schedules, but it's one that demands our attention. Every bite we take has the potential to either fortify or weaken our health, particularly when it comes to life-altering diseases such as cancer. Our relationship with food is much more than just satisfying hunger. It's about nourishing our bodies, providing the fuel necessary for optimal function. But not all fuels are created equal. Some foods might be doing more harm than good, silently contributing to the risk of diseases. On the other hand, certain foods can be our allies, offering protection against these ailments. The food we consume can be the difference between health and disease. And when it comes to cancer, this dichotomy becomes even more profound. So let's delve into the world of food and cancer, and understand how your diet can be a game changer in preventing or promoting cancer. So, what foods might be increasing your risk of cancer? Well, let's take a journey through the grocery aisles and see what we find. First, we come across processed meats. These are meats that have been preserved by smoking, curing, salting, or adding preservatives. While these processes can extend the shelf life of the products and enhance their flavors, they also introduce chemicals like nitrates and nitrites, which have been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer. Next, we encounter sugary drinks, which include sodas, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices that are loaded with added sugars. Sugary drinks can lead to obesity, and obesity is a strong risk factor for several types of cancer, including breast, colon, endometrial, kidney, and esophageal cancers. Then we have foods high in unhealthy fats. This includes items like fast food, fried food, and certain baked goods. These foods often contain trans fats, which not only increase your bad cholesterol levels, but also may increase your risk of developing certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate cancer. Another group of foods to consider are those that are overly charred or burnt. When you grill or roast foods at high temperatures, it can lead to the formation of harmful chemicals that might increase your cancer risk. And lastly, we have alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption can have some health benefits, excessive drinking is linked to a variety of cancers, including mouth, esophagus, breast, and liver cancer. It's important to note, however, that eating these foods occasionally doesn't guarantee that you'll get cancer. Cancer is a complex disease with multiple contributing factors, but a consistent diet of these foods can certainly increase your risk. As we navigate through this complex world of food and health, it's crucial to remember that balance and moderation are key. While it can be challenging to ignore the siren call of tasty but unhealthy foods, it's worth considering the long-term effects of our dietary choices. These foods, while they might taste good, can have serious implications for your health. But why do these foods increase your risk of cancer? Well, let's break it down. Our bodies are like complex machines, constantly working, repairing, and replacing cells. When we consume certain foods, like processed ones and those high in sugar, we're throwing a wrench into that process. Picture this. These foods can cause chronic inflammation. Imagine a fire constantly burning within your body. This inflammation can lead to cell damage, and over time, these damaged cells can mutate, potentially leading to cancer. Furthermore, processed foods often contain additives and preservatives. Some of these, like certain nitrates, have been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. Sugars, on the other hand, can lead to obesity, which is a significant risk factor for multiple types of cancer. It's not just about avoiding these foods because they're bad, it's about understanding the impact they can have on your body. Understanding why these foods cause cancer can help you make more informed dietary choices. Now that we've covered the bad news, let's talk about the good. What foods can help prevent cancer? First in our list are fruits and vegetables. They are powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage. Think of them as the body's personal security team. The more colorful your plate, the better the protection. Berries, for example, are rich in antioxidants, while cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale boast compounds that help fight off cancer cells. Next up are whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, thereby reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. They also contain antioxidants and other compounds that help protect cells from damage. Lean proteins, such as fish, poultry, and beans, are also essential. They provide the body with the necessary building blocks for cell repair and growth. Fish, for example, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. Furthermore, have you ever heard of the term phytochemicals? These are naturally occurring plant compounds that have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. Foods like garlic, turmeric, and green tea are chock full of these beneficial compounds. And of course, let's not forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water not only keeps your body functioning optimally, but it also helps flush out toxins that could potentially lead to cancer. It's important to note that while these foods can help in cancer prevention, they're not a guaranteed shield. A balanced diet, along with regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking, all play a critical role in reducing your overall cancer risk. So, start incorporating these foods into your diet. Enjoy a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast, snack on a handful of berries, have a cup of green tea in the afternoon, and perhaps a fish dish for dinner. Every small step you take can make a big difference. Incorporating these foods into your diet can go a long way in cancer prevention. To recap, your diet plays a crucial role in your cancer risk. From the foods that increase the likelihood of cancer, like processed meats, sugary drinks, and certain types of oils, to those that can help prevent it, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. The choices you make at the dining table can shape your health in significant ways. While it's clear that no single food or food group alone can cause or prevent cancer, it's the overall pattern of what you eat and your lifestyle that matters most. So let's make a conscious effort to cut down on the potentially harmful foods and incorporate more of the health-promoting ones into our diets. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's a form of preventative medicine. Being mindful of what you eat is not just about maintaining a healthy weight, it's about preventing serious health conditions like cancer. Eat wisely, live healthily,